Alrighty, right now I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb seal along the bottom of the bottom sash. What you'll want to do is open the window up about 6 inches. You'll tilt the sash in. You want it laying flat. Once it's flat, you just lift up on one side and the sash will come out. Once you have it out, you can take it right there. This right here is the bulb seal I'm talking about that we're going to replace. To remove this, you just grab one end and it slides right out. As you can see, the vinyl's actually dremeled out. On your older series, if it's not dremeled out like so, get a little dremel a little area. You'll now take your new piece and it just slides right into place. And then you'll cut it the width of the sash from one edge to the other. Once you have the new bulb seal in, you'll take the window, it has to lay flat like so, and you'll drop one pivot pin right into the cam shoe. And this other one right here drops right down, and you can just lift up on the side. Now if you shut the window and it's not in the cam shoe, the window will be hard to operate. What you'll do is just tilt it in flat, it'll drop into place, and you're good to go.